This brand is made in Mexico by Rheem Manufacturing and the units are sold through dealers in the USA. All of the models feature louvered panel construction to protect the condenser coil from mechanical damage, as well as powdered coated paint and rust-resistant screws to keep the units looking nice for years to come. They have durable scroll compressors and microchannel coils for a more compact unit. They offer optional electric heat kits in sizes from 5 to 20 kilowatts to provide supplemental heating, but they are somewhat noisy with a sound rating of 76 decibels. The RQPM 14 SEER models and the RQRM 16 SEER units are for slab mounting with horizontal air discharge, while the RJPL-A 14 SEER models can be installed on a roof, down discharge, or on a slab. The units use R410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as brands that use R32, and their guarantee, which does not include unit replacement in case of compressor failure, is not as good as many brands. The units use a demand defrost control which monitors the outdoor ambient temperature, outdoor coil temperature, and compressor runtime to determine when a defrost cycle is required. This is more efficient than brands that use timed defrost, as the defrost cycles are only initiated when they are actually required.